Today we are discussing what chapter? Diversity in living organisms. Chapter 5. Chapter 5, page number 66. Page number 66. So here there is a table. Vertebrates. Characters of vertebrates. Characters of vertebrates. Different classes. Different classes. So we already discussed fishes. Next amphibian. Next reptiles. Next birds or apes. And next we already discussed what? Mammals. So mammals are of how many types? 3 types. Based on their habitat, based on their living position. First marsupials. And next primates. Next rodents. And now we are discussing what? Mammals which are living in marine water and mammals which are they fly in the air. Marine mammals and flying mammals. Today we are discussing characteristics of flying mammals and also mammals which are living in marine water. Marine means sea water. Marine water means sea water. Marine water. Marine mammals and flying mammals. Flying mammals means actually what is meant by mammal? Mammal is an animal which can give birth to young ones and feed their young ones with their milk. So those animals are called as mammals. And now I am telling what? Marine mammals. Example, so there is a good diagram on the blackboard, that is dolphin. And dolphin is not a fish. Dolphin is not a fish. And it looks like a fish. But it is having teeth. It is having what? Tongue. And it is having what? Hair. Sparse hair. So here a little amount of hair is present in the body. And it gives milk to the young ones. And it gives birth to the young ones. And it gives milk to the young ones. And it is having warm blooded. And it is having 4 shower heart. So all these are the characters we observed in case of dolphin. So that is the reason it is called as a mammal but not a fish. So fishes, they are having what? Gills. But here there are no gills. And it comes on the top of the water and breathe air. Like how we are breathing with our lungs. They are having lungs. So dolphins are having what? Lungs. But not gills. Fishes are having what? Gills. But in case of dolphin, no lungs. That is the reason they are called as the mammals. And these mammals, these dolphins, they exclusively live in marine water. Sea water only. Salt water only, but not in fresh water. Okay, that is brief description about what? Marine mammals. And now I am telling you flying mammals. What flying means? They fly in the air. They fly in the air. Birds, they fly in the air. And bat also look like the bird, but bat is not a bird. Bat is not a bird, and it look like the bird, but it is not called as a bird. Why? Because it is what? It is mammal. It is having warm blooded. And it shows what? Mammals characters. Mammals character. It is not laying eggs. And it gives birth to young ones. It gives birth to young ones. It is not laying eggs. All these are the characters we observe in case of only mammal, but not in bird. Birds, they fly in the air. And they are having what? Feathers. But here there are no feathers. And it is called a patagium, skin fold. Thin, soft skin fold is present, and with that skin, soft skin, and it flies in the air. So it is not having feathers. Okay. Next, all these are the characters of bat. They fly in the air and they live in caves, and they live in dark caves, and they live in hollow or trees hollows. And they are not having eyes, but they move, but they fly in the air. For example, this is a room. When a bat comes into the room, and in dark only it is coming, but not in daytime. So it is producing what? Sounds from its body surface, and these sounds, they go and touch the object, and again they come back. So in this way they are detecting the what is there and what objects are there, and that is the reason in this way it is changing its position. So that is called echolocation. That is called echolocation. Echolocation. They are producing what? Ultrasonic sound, but they are not having eyes. Without vision, they are moving quickly and they are not touching any object. So those are the characters of what? Bats. Bat is a mammal. Bat is not a bird. And bat give birth to young ones. And they fly in the air and they are not having feathers. And they are having what? Thin skin folds, and that is called patagium. So those are the characters of what? Birds. And today we discuss what topic? Come on, tell me. Marine mammals and flying mammals. Give example for marine mammals. Dolphins. Dolphins are called what? Mammals, but not fish. Why?
They don't have gills.
Yes, they don't have gills. They have lungs, and they are warm-blooded, and they have 4-chamber heart. And flying mammals, example. Why it is not called as a bat?
It shows mammals.
Yes, it shows mammal characters. And feathers are absent. It is having what? Patagium. With the help of patagium, it moves, it flies in the air. And it gives birth to young ones, but not laying eggs. So those are the characters of what? What? Marine mammals and flying mammals. Okay, thank you.